Hi, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to write the same join query using the JPQL query. So let's begin. So let's go to the employee repository, and inside this, we are going to create a method. This is going to return the list of employees. The method name, which is get employees by department name. You can give any name you want. This is going to take the department name as a parameter, and we are going to add the @query annotation. And we know that we have to start from the so from table name, but the table name is mapped with the entity name, which is employee, from employee, where the department, here the department is the field name, department dot, the department entity class contains two fields, ID and name. So we have to use the field name, which is name. So where department dot name is equal to, we're going to use the variable which is name. So that's it. We don't need to add modifying annotation or add transactional, because we are not dealing with the modifying the queries or modifying the records. We are just working with the select queries, so we don't need to add those annotations. So with this, now let's save this file. Let's go to the employee controller, and inside this I'll just quickly comment this, and then we are going to call the new method, which is return new response entity. This is going to return the list of employees. Here repository dot get employees by department name, and we're going to pass the department name. HTTP status to OK. That's a typo error, so let's save this. Our application is restarted. Let's go back to the Postman, and let's actually change this civil to IT, and when I click on this send, we should get two records that we have seen already, the Bhushan and Bharat. So alright, now we have see how we can create the join queries using the finder methods as well as the JPQL queries. And in the next video, we're going to discuss about the other mappings like one to many and many to many. I will see you in the next video.